Okay, so you can see there are three lines in the diagram L, M, N. So it is given lines which are parallel to the same line. So let's say if L is parallel to M and N is also parallel to M. So what it is the statement? Lines which are parallel to the same line. So L and N are both parallel to M. I can just do it otherwise ताकि आपको देखने में easy लगे. Okay. If L is parallel to M, L is parallel to N, and M is parallel to N, then I have to say this all are parallel to each other. L, M, N are parallel to each other. So this is the question. So if सबसे पहले तो आप given लिखो. L is parallel to N and M is parallel to N. Now I am writing angle 1 is equal to angle 3. अगर L N के parallel है और T उसकी transverse line है, so angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Why? I will be writing corresponding angle.
Corresponding.
Just number it equation number 1. Similarly, angle 2 is equal to angle 3 अगर M N के parallel है और T transverse line है. So angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Reason? Corresponding angles. So you can just number it 2. Now if you compare 1 and 2,
And then angle 1 will be equal to angle 2.
correct. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, which are again corresponding angles. So this indicates that L is parallel to M. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 if corresponding angles are equal, then L is parallel to M. तो L N के parallel थी, अब L M के भी parallel है. So similarly we can say all are parallel to each other. Similarly, L is parallel to M is parallel to N. All these three lines are parallel to each other. Okay. So example number 4, 5, 6. You can write homework in your copy. Example 4, 5 and 6. That you need to meaning from you have not sent me 1, 2, 3. So you need to send me all the 6 examples
Okay, ma'am.
of lines and angles. Try it. If you find any example difficult, then I can take it in the class also. So don't worry about the difficulties. I will be helping you in difficult problems if you find. And if you find it easy, then it's very good. Okay, so let's start. I hope everyone has written the homework in their copy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's start exercise 6.2. Find the value of x and y and then show that AB is parallel to CD. Okay, so how we will be doing? I will be writing first 50 plus x is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason I should write here in the bracket?
Linear pair.
Correct. It is linear pair. These two are making a straight line. So we call it linear pair. So we came to know that value of x is 130 degree. So now if you look at y is equal to 130 degree. What is the reason why y is equal to 130 degree?
alternate interior angle.
No. फिर इतनी जल्दी भूल जाओगी. Alternate interior angle तो z बनाते हैं. ये तो x बना रहा है.
Ma'am, vertically opposite.
Yes, vertically opposite angle. So you can see x is equal to y. Both are coming 130. So if alternate angles are equal, then AB is parallel to CD. अगर alternate angles equal होते हैं तो दोनों lines क्या हो जाती हैं? They are parallel to each other. So this is how you need to proceed for this question. So this week I'm giving you only lines and angles to prepare thoroughly, and I will be putting questions from NCERT only. So make sure मैंने हर solution आपको करवाया लिख के, तो I am hoping कोई भी step skip नहीं करना है. You have to write each and every step and the reason. जैसे हमने यहाँ bracket में लिखा है ये ऐसा क्यों हमने कहा, because it is a linear pair. So you have to write the reason, do it step by step properly. Write the question, draw the diagram with the help of pencil, and then do the solution.
Okay, ma'am.
Till
Okay, if it is done, we can move to the next.
ma'am, till this much only you will give the test.
I am hoping that I will be able to complete this exercise. It is having 6 questions. So if you agree, then I will not give you anything from tissues. So tomorrow I can take lines and angles and will try to complete whole chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so let's do question number 2. AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. So first of all, how to solve this type of question? We will be writing given AB is parallel to CD. This is my first point. Second point is CD is parallel to EF. Whatever is given in the question that I am writing. Third thing is given Y ratio Z is 3:7. Okay, we have to find X. Okay, so AB is parallel to CD. Now I will be writing solution. AB is parallel to CD, then X plus Y is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree. अगर दो lines parallel है, as AB is parallel to CD. अगर दो lines parallel है तो उनके जो co-interior angles का sum है वो 180 degree होगा. So this is our first take. You can just number it 1 and then you can write angle 1 is equal to Y. What is the reason?
Vertically
The
opposite.
opposite angle.
Correct. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, so see, I have
Ma'am, we can say that 1 plus z is equal to 180.
correct. So 1 plus z is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree as CD is parallel to EF. So you have to write each and every step. So in place of 1, I'm writing y plus z is equal to 180 degree. So why I have written? Because 1 and y are equal. So I can number it equation number 1. So I can write here by using equation 1. So in place of 1, I have substituted it by y. Now I can write let common ratio be a, because x is already in the alphabet, so I have taken a. So y will become 3a and z will become 7a. So I can write 3a plus 7a is equal to 180 degree, or 10a is equal to 180 degree.
Will be 80.
So I got a as 18 degree. So now I can calculate y 3a or 3 into 18. So it comes out to be 54 degree. Okay,
And ma'am, angle 7.
x
Ma'am, z will be 126.
yeah, you can write it, but it is not required. See, because we need to calculate x. So x is 180 minus y.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, see this x plus y is 180. So I can write x as 180 minus y.
So ma'am, 180 minus 54.
Correct. 180 minus 54.
Ma'am, 126.
Yes. So x is coming out to be 126. अच्छा, इसको करने का एक और वे है. अच्छा, देख लो, पहले कर लो, कंप्लीट.
Ma'am, written.
Okay. So have you understood it? That is more important. Because see, we cannot
Yes, ma'am.
leave any step. Every step is important and carry marks. Another way, बहुत सारे वे होते हैं. ये लाइंस एंड एंगल्स वाला जो चैप्टर है ना, इट इज फुल ऑफ सॉल्यूशंस. बहुत सारे सॉल्यूशंस है. तो अगर आप ये लिख लिया हो तो मैं आपको एक और सॉल्यूशन बता देती हूँ.
Yes, ma'am, written.
धनवी, are you able to follow? Because I am not getting voice of Dhanvi only. Others are responding. Dhanvi, so do you find any other way of doing this question? So just put your mind behind this question. Do you find any other way of doing the same question? Okay, so I will tell you the other way. देखो, अगर आप देखोगे AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. So AB should also be parallel to EF. अभी हमने last theorem जो पढ़ी थी, अगर कोई दो lines हैं वो एक लाइन के पैरेलल हैं, तो वो आपस में भी पैरेलल होंगी।
Yes, ma'am.
तो अगर ये पैरेलल हैं तो x और z क्या बना लेंगे, x is equal to z, they will make alternate interior angle। ये z अल्फाबेट बना रहा है, तो x is equal to z, यहीं से हमारा काम हो जाएगा। अब हम इसे y ले लेंगे, वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल y प्लस z इज 180। फिर आप वैसे ही सॉल्व करके y और z की वैल्यू निकाल लोगे, जो भी z की वैल्यू आएगी वही x की वैल्यू होगी। सो द आंसर विल बी सेम, you will be getting 126 again. So this is the same way of doing same question, है ना। तो जो way आपको comfortable हो that you can use, but you have to be very thorough with all the theorems, axiom, their proof. उनके proof भी आपको करने आने चाहिए खुद से। Okay, AB is parallel to CD and EF is perpendicular on CD. GED, this whole angle is 126. You have to find AGE angle. Okay, so let's do it one by one. So if I draw it with a line, then you can find what I mean to say. So this is making this angle AGE, angle AGE should be equal to angle GED. Are you able to see the alphabet Z? It is like this. Okay, so what I am writing, alphabet Z means alternate interior angles. Why? Because AB is parallel to CD. So alternate interior angles are equal. So we got the value of AGE as 126 degrees. So we got first answer. Now GEF. So this is GEF. GEF is that portion. So angle GEF, it is equal to angle GED. This bigger angle, I'm talking about this whole, minus angle FED. चलो मैं आपको कलर करके बता देती हूँ। जैसे ये पूरा एंगल है, ये GED है ना। इसमें से अगर मैं ये वाला पोर्शन माइनस कर दूं तो वो रेड वाला आ जाएगा। सो व्हाट इज GEF? इट इज इक्वल टू 126 माइनस 90। परपेंडिकुलर मतलब 90 डिग्री। सो आई गॉट इट लाइक 36 डिग्री। सो सेकंड पार्ट इज डन। Now you have to calculate FGE, where I have just drawn blue.
Angle A plus then we can
Ma'am, can you explain that one, like angle GEF, GED one?
GEF,
Yes, ma'am.
GEF देखो ये बड़ा वाला एंगल है। इस बड़े वाले में से अगर मैं 90 डिग्री सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दूंगी तो क्या आ जाएगा? आई विल बी गेटिंग GEF।
Okay, ma'am.
अब हमें FGE एंगल निकालना है, जिसमें मैंने ब्लू से, इसको आप नंबर डाल सकते हो 1, ये अभी हमने निकाला ही है 36 डिग्री, इसको नंबर डाल सकते हो 2, इसको नंबर डाल सकते हो 3।
मैम 3 कहाँ पे?
हाँ बोलो।
मैम 3 कहाँ पे?
3 जो हमने 36 निकाला है, GEF।
ओके मैम।
अच्छा, ऐसे समझ में नहीं आता, चलो हम दूसरा 1 2 3 नहीं डालते हैं, नो डोंट वरी,
मैम वो कलर एकदम मिक्सअप हो गया तो समझ।
मैं सब कलर हटा देती हूँ। चलो अब बताओ मुझे, अब हमें निकालना है लास्ट FGE, ये वाला एंगल। तो ये एंगल और ये एंगल बराबर होंगे, दे आर, Z बना रहे हैं अल्फाबेट,
ऑल्टरनेट।
क्या नाम बताया था मैंने?
मैम ऑल्टरनेट।
Alternate angle. So you can say these two angles are equal. FGE को हमने 1 से रिप्रेजेंट किया, इट शुड बी इक्वल टू एंगल 2।
So ma'am it would be 36.
सो एंगल 2 का मेजर मैं कैसे निकालूंगी? एंगल 2 का मेजर ये पूरा 126 है, सो एंगल 2 प्लस 126, इट इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री। दिस इज कॉल्ड लीनियर पेयर। जो 2 वाला एंगल है, इसमें ये 126 अगर मैं ऐड कर दूंगी तो ये दोनों मिलके स्ट्रेट लाइन बना रहे हैं। So I can find angle 2 as 180 minus 126. So it is coming 54 degree. तो हमारा FGE भी क्या हो गया? Angle FGE is equal to 54 degree. अरे वाह, वेरी गुड दिव्यांश। वैसे भी कर सकते हो, जो आपने लिखा है चैट बॉक्स पे, दैट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट। दिव्यांश ने इस क्वेश्चन का एक और तरीका बता दिया FGE का। तो वो कह रहा है कि हम AGE तो निकाल के आ ही चुके हैं अभी, AGE हमने 126 निकाला है, तो AGE प्लस एंगल 1 इज 180 डिग्री, बिकॉज दे आर लीनियर पेयर। तो आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, आपकी चॉइस है, जो आपको बेहतर लगता है वो कर सकते हो, बट इट शुड बी करेक्ट।
ओके मैम।
सो लेट्स डू टुमारो लाइंस एंड एंगल्स। तो लाइंस एंड एंगल्स का हम ट्राई करते हैं। कल भी मुझे लगता नहीं, क्योंकि थ्योरम्स वगैरह भी करने होंगे, 6 क्वेश्चंस तो इसमें ही है, और फिर थ्योरम्स को करवाना कंप्लीट। सो लेट्स ट्राई टू कंप्लीट इट टुमारो। ओके बच्चों, हैव अ नाइस टाइम।